We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another auction video. We had an insurance auto auction. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe to join the Hustle Nation. Greatly appreciate y'all continuing to rock with your boy, man. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at wehustledaily.co. Y'all can hit me up on Instagram. I do reply back. I try to get back to every single one of y'all, you know what I mean? So y'all can hit me up on Instagram. Make sure y'all follow me. And make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. Y'all want to learn how to check out cars and pick out good cars at the auction. I don't want y'all to mess up y'all money. Even if you're not trying to buy a car from an auction, I'm still showing y'all how to pick out cars. I got a different package on there now, so y'all can check that out. You know, so some of y'all might not be trying to interested in buying cars at the auction. You might be trying to buy a car off you know, the marketplace or Craigslist or OfferUp or something like that, you know, some online site. You know, I'm gonna show y'all how to pick out a good car, you know what I'm saying? So I got a different package on there for y'all. So y'all make sure y'all check out whdacademy.com. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into our walk around today, man. We got a 2004 Honda Accord. Look like it might have been some type of I don't know. I was gonna say it maybe looked like it's been sitting up, but I'm not sure. Swiped up for sure. Oh man. I really like the way it sounds. Oh man. Let's see what we got. Got the V6. I'm not too fond of the V6, but $158 on the miles though. Let's see if one does. Do crank up, do work. I don't know. This one might be on my list right here. Oh man, let's keep moving though. But then again, maybe not, because I don't like the way that sounded. It's just the V6. Y'all know I don't really like the V6. What we got right here? Hold up. Got the Dodge Charger. Look like it got some type of different lights on there. 167,000 miles, 2006. It had the leather. Oh, it's the Daytona joint. Don't got no power. Look like they done took some stuff. They was some smokers. Or did they just put them seats in here? They probably did this themselves. We gonna see what the motor look like. That's gonna tell us the truth. That's gonna tell us the truth. Let me see the back seats. The back seats leather too. I'm pretty sure this definitely ain't gonna. Yeah. See what this is, y'all. Well, it say Hemi, so might actually be the Hemi. There it is right there. Yep, it's that big boy right here. This look like this is the 5.7 or yep, this the 5.7. So yeah, it's the big one. My bad. It's really you. Y'all know what we about to look at, don't y'all? This right here. And maybe this too. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, we're gonna look at both of these. So this is a 1997 Grand Am. How many miles? Does that say? 181. And this is a Toyota Camry 2001 with 123. So let's check both of these out. Boy, look at that. That's GT for you. Got them duals on that thing. Okay. Got some type of fan. what they got for me in here. Got me some tools. Okay, they was working. They was working a little bit. All right, got a little fan down there. What's going on, boss? I ain't seen you in a minute, man. Let's see. Might not have no power, I don't know. It do. Ooh, that just came right up. Gotta check engine light though. Man. See. Okay, we got Bubba's motor in here, the 3100. Looks alright. This motor look big though for some reason. It sounded alright though. Let's see what's this one looking like. 2001 with 123, and it's clean too. Yeah, this one real clean. Well, never mind. Ain't that clean up in the front. No power. That sucks. I want to look at this Navigator. 06 Navigator with 250. They put the big old grill thing on here. It's all swiped up on the goddamn side though. They swiped it up good, didn't they? Okay, thank you. Appreciate you. See what we got. The way that's cranking up right there, man. Oh. See what we got right here. Got the Acura. Check engine lights on everything out here. Let's see what else they got. Let's walk down the line. All right, they got your Toyota Tundra right here. Big boy Tundra. I think I'm about to get up out of this one though. I'm gonna just release another video along with this one because I don't like this one, man. They be tripping about you cranking up cars, man. So I ain't got time for that. Y'all know I can't test drive. Well, not test drive, but if I can't crank them and all of that, I'm straight. So, with that being said, the kid about to get on up out this thing, man. It's the only one that I don't like. I thought maybe it would be different, but it ain't. So, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Hustle Nation. Greatly appreciate y'all, man. I'm about to get up out this thing. They tripping about you starting cars. I can't get with that, man. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co, and make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. Y'all want to learn how to check out cars. I ain't gonna be coming back to this one. It's your boy Ray. I'm gonna release another video today. I'm gone. Peace.